Decentralized College Tracker using Solidity. I'm presenting here an academic project on blockchain technology. In the DLT distributed ledger technology arena, there are several players and platforms, but the most popular ones right now are Ethereum, maybe because of the merge or ETH 2.0, and Bitcoin, being the grandpa of blockchain-based cryptocurrency and papa of several sidechains and multi-chain. Here, you can learn about deploying a smart contract written in Solidity for a specific use case over RSK testnet, a BTC sidechain that supports EVM. Agenda. It is becoming difficult to track down illegal colleges. Many students' careers are spoiled as they enroll in them. A solution is needed that can ensure transparency and integrity of the admission process. Background. In many parts of India, illegal colleges are run, which are not affiliated to any university. Many students enroll in these colleges without knowing that, and in turn they end up having no jobs or colleges get shut down after some time, which ruins their career. Business logic. If the database of colleges is created over a decentralized blockchain, then it would ensure that only authorized, verified colleges are able to admit students. This can be achieved by deploying a smart contract over a public blockchain. These items are added as input variables for two structs named college and student. Smart contract features are shown here. Project reference outputs. Actual screenshots are added in further sections. Actual screenshots are added in further sections. Smart contract main functions are shown here. Source code. Source code screenshot. Source code available on my blog and GitHub. Application binary interface. This can be copied directly from the Abby button in the Remix IDE window. Screenshots. Before deployment. After deployment. After transactions. Transaction evidence. Conclusion. The smart contract, when deployed on a large scale, will enable transparency and integrity in the process of education. Further, several more features can be added into this SC, like upvoting of colleges, transfer of students from one college to another, etc. Here, only the basic features have been added to demonstrate the business logic that is required as a solution. There are also ways to develop a front-end to access the SC features, e.g. React.js. Those interested can even build a DApp around this idea. Summary. Please do check out my blog https://humantonline.blogpost.com for further details.